Dear friends, while discussing the topic of negligence, that is necessity, I told you necessity knows no law. At the same time, necessity cannot be a defense always. There are certain negative examples also. To be precise, life is equal to all. You cannot kill somebody and say that out of necessity I murdered him. It is not accepted because life is equal to all. This is envisaged in the very famous case of R versus Dudley and Stephens. R versus Dudley, Dudley and Stephens, 1864. I am sure you might have heard of the case. Anyway, I will tell you the brief facts of the case. Actually, Mr. Thomas Dudley, Stephens, Ned Brooks, and Richard Parker, and so many people, they have been traveling in a ship called Mignonette, Mignonette. But in the mid of the sea, a storm has hit the ship, and actually it was broken into two pieces, and in one piece these four persons were trapped in the sea. Mr. Dudley, Stephens, Ned Brooks and cabin boy Richard Parker. They travelled like that in the seas without help and without any sight of the land for 4 days or so. The meat or the flesh or the eatables available with them, they have expired, nothing is there to eat. So Mr. Dudley, Thomas Dudley, he informed Mr. Stephens that definitely they will die because the coast or the edge of the sea is not visible and they have to travel in the sea for some more days. The food items, they have expired. So they have decided to kill one of them to survive. For their survival, one person should lose his life. So then Stephens agreed. But Ned Brooks, the third person, did not agree. Of course, the victim is Richard Parker, who was the cabin boy. Without informing him, they killed him, literally they murdered him, and with his flesh and meat, they survived for 4 more days. In the meanwhile, somehow they reached the sea coast. After reaching the sea coast, definitely the parents of Mr. Richard Parker filed a suit against them, filed a case of murder against these people. Of course, the court has to take it as a case of homicide, there is a murder. Here the point is, actually, Stephens agreed for his sacrifice also, but Ned Brooks did not agree. Whatever it is, now they have come for trial. So here they have raised 2 points. Number 1, necessity. So if they do not take the meat or they do not eat the meat, definitely they will not survive. So for their existence, at least one of them will die, but the other 3 people, majority of them will be survived. Therefore, due to the necessity, they killed the 4th man. Secondly, he was an ailing man. He was not feeling well also at that particular time. Otherwise also he would have died. 1 point. Second is self-defense in the same way, because they have to save themselves. Therefore, they kill the other person. But these 2 defenses, they were not agreed upon by the 5 judges bench. Actually, it was to be heard by single judge. Of course, Privy Council, ultimately 5 judges bench held it. So they said life is equal for all. Maybe necessity may be there, but due to necessity, you cannot take the life of anybody. It will be more rather appreciable if all the people die, no problem. But for the sake of 3 people, 1 person should not be killed. That is what is Article 21 of the Constitution of India says. So it is the right, it is the duty of the state to protect the life and liberty of each and every individual. This was held in 1864 itself. Right, so they were tried for killing. Here, necessity is no defense to crime. Then self-defense. What is self-defense? Please remember, Right of private defense extends when other person tries to kill you. When other persons try to attack you as an execution of right, yes, definitely you can execute the right of private defense. But here there is no threat from that Richard Parker. After all, he is a gullible cabin driver, cabin boy. He doesn't know the consequences also. So these 2 points are not agreed upon by the the 5 judges bench. Ultimately, it has become a famous case law, and that too the taboo of cannibalism. You may know cannibalism means eating the flesh of human beings. It's not allowed. You can eat the meat of a goat. Yesterday was Bakrid. Yes, definitely you can eat the meat of a goat or cow or the so-called pig or hens, whatever you like, but not human flesh. So life is more important. Life is equal to all. This is very good case in negative example to necessity, and also positive example to say that life is equal to all. So law expects the people to die more than to kill any one person. So this is the actually inference drawn from this judgment. Of course, it is a famous judgment, famous case which deals with the taboo act of cannibalism. It poses a debatable question of having a necessity as a defense. Here it is not agreed. But in some cases I told you that necessity will be allowed. Suppose some fire accident takes place, some hut is burning, then the people come to the spot and they will pluck away the tamarind, palmyra leaves of the other hut. But luckily the wind flows to the other side, nothing will happen to this. Even then you cannot file a case against them because of necessity. Suppose if the wind comes in the direction, definitely this hut also will get burnt. So that is the necessity, best example for necessity. Anyway, all these things you know, but this is a good case. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.